mechanical mankad. Today we are going to make a jet engine propeller. To make a jet engine propeller, we have to make some curves. So select this and make a curve. And make one 3-point arc which will be like this. Okay. Now click on isometric view, select the move option and select this line, enter, select the point, here. Okay, select a line and close it, make close figure. So now we will convert this line into the surface. So select surface and network, select the lines, enter, select another line, enter. So okay, we will change the view, shaded view. Okay, here we can see it. So now this is a fin of a propeller, so we have to make some more fins like this. So we will use a array command. Select the fin, this is a single fin of the propeller, so we have to make a more fin. So we will select the array command, select the fin, enter, and now we have to select the center from where we have to create more fins. So this should be a center, and the number of fins should be 18 or either should be 15. Okay, so this is a fin. This is a top view. Now we will make some circle here. So select the circle, one more circle, it should be small. Okay, now isometric view, click on the move option, select circle, enter, select the center. Okay, now select the loft option, select this line and the small circle, enter. So now we can edit this loft. So select here and select the draft angle. You can manipulate it just like this, here and here. Okay, enter. So this is a propeller. Now we have to make one large circle which will be larger than the fins. So create one circle, select the center. The center should be this. Again one circle, the same circle. Here we will select a parallel. Now isometric view. Select a move tool to move some circle. Select this. Enter. Select the path line. So z-axis. So select here first ortho. Now select the move command. Select the circle. Enter, select the axis. Again, move tool, select this line, axis, now here we will select a surface and the loft tool, select the first line, the circle, second circle and the third circle. So here it's loft. Now we can manipulate it. Just select the option here and draft angle. Select this and manipulate it. So this okay. Here's the jet engine.